What's up guys, welcome in a new video. So today I'm ready to put the head on the block and maybe put some stuff in the head like the rocker arms or the camshaft. Earlier today I finished torquing down the oil pan, the two bolts that were left in the back of the oil pan that I just bought 2 days ago. The tranny bolts to the lower oil pan. I have just finished putting some ooga doogas on the engine mount. So now I'm ready to get this thing off and start working on the head. So I blew out the hose with the compressor tank that I refilled for this job. Now I put some little towel to finish absorbing the stuff that was in there, the big stuff. So after that I'm going to clean the surface with brake clean, put the gasket maker, because we need to put gasket maker right there in the seam because the gasket won't seal very well. I will clean the surface of the block and I'm going to be ready to put the head on and torque them down. So yeah, I'm going to drop the car too off the ramps, so the car is lower, I don't have to work at that height. And I will put the new wheels on while I'm lowering the car to see how it looks and how it fits. So I'm gonna see you guys when I am done with putting the wheels. Now it's very fun to see the car that is not on jack stands or on any ramps with the engine dropped. So I did not even remember that it was this low to the ground. I thought it was a monster truck. I did not put the front wheels on because in the front here I have normal lugs for the wheels, but here this is the old wheel. Look at the space that I have, and the new one, so the nut wouldn't fit in it. So I have to buy some tuner lug for the front, just like I have in the rear. I put the one in the rear like I was supposed to do 3 videos before. So here I have some tuner lugs which are way smaller. So the fitment of the wheel is pretty nice, but I will need some spacer, of course, to make it like on point. So I wanted to swap the lugs of the rear in the front, but the tread pitch is not the same, so I could not get them to fit on. So I will have to buy new tuner lug for the front to put my nice wheels on. So now I'm almost ready to put the head gasket and the head on the engine. I took off the little towel shaft, so now I'm going to clean it off one last time, put the gasket maker on it, and put the head gasket. When the head gasket is there, I will put the head. So I'm very happy to see the progress on this car, because it has been more than 6 months that it's been in this garage, non-running. I took the head off before the winter, and now in March or April I took off the oil pan, the piston. So now I'm half done, and I'm very happy to see that. So maybe we'll get it running in the next video. I hope in the next video but I cannot guarantee anything. So now I'm going to put the head on and show you guys after. So now guys, I'm done for the day because it's 5 o'clock and I gotta eat, and tomorrow I'm going to New York. So yeah, today I have installed the head. You can see that there is only the head that is bolted on. I squeezed the manifold in, but I forgot to put the gasket, the exhaust gasket, so next time I'm going to struggle to put it back on, because here I have this, the manifold and the brake booster getting in contact when I try to separate them, so it's gonna be a fun one. So I hope that maybe in the next clip we're gonna assemble the shim, the rocker, the lifters, the camshaft, and turn the engine around to see if it's timed properly. And if it's timed properly, I'm gonna put both the head the manifold, both the intake and the exhaust one, and maybe see if it's starting for the first time. So I'm very hyped for this. It's coming soon, so see you in the next clip. So we're gonna do a little jump in time, so see you next week. What's up guys, 1 week later we're here back to the car. So today I'm going to continue on putting the stuff in the head of the engine underneath the valve cover, because I've only bolted the head down. I made a little mistake when I left last time, because here you have the exhaust manifold, and as you can see there's no exhaust gasket, sorry. And here you can see the manifold is touching the brake booster. So when it's touching the brake booster, I cannot pull the manifold back. So right now I'm doing some rear neck work and trying to get that thing separated from the stud, so I can put the exhaust manifold. So here I can move it pretty easily with this on the bottom, but in the back it's pretty sturdy because, like I showed you, it's touching right there. So I'm going to try to lift the brake booster here just up with a strap, so the little notch here can clear it. I already try, like you can see here, to pull the manifold back, but I think it's putting way too much tension on the system. So I'll try this method, and I'm going to figure out a way to do it, and I'm going to show you just right after. So what's good, I'm back with the little setup that I've done here. So I've loosened the bolts for the booster here, and I've tightened a strap here, one here to there that is attached there, so everything is good. I have a little gap everywhere to fit the gasket, but the only thing is that I'm missing one stud and I don't know where it went. So I'm gonna go check with you guys. I maybe have an idea where it is. So I have a pack of bolts here. When I disassembled the engine, so it's big. So I took this all out in November, I think, yeah. So here's the stud that I am missing. I think it was because the bolt was rusted out to it. So I'm gonna check for this, because I have all the washers and the nuts were in there. So that's why I was pretty sure that it would be in there. So I'm relieved that I have the studs, so I don't have to buy new ones. So I just sprayed the gasket with copper spray. So I'm waiting for it to cure, putting it on, and when I'm done with this, I will bolt everything just so it can be like sandwiched together. And after that, I'm going to prep the head, put like the shims, the rocker arms. I have to bleed the lifters. So I have a lot of job to do today, but I'm hoping that maybe this week or next week will be the first start, because I'm getting close. Now I'm almost finished bolting the exhaust manifold. I tightened them, but they were not very tight because I tightened them with the 1/4-inch drive. I bleeded the lifters and put them all in there. So now I'm at the point where I'm going to do a layout of where everything goes, and because it's all in the bags, so from there it's gonna be real easy, because I only have to take the things that I've put here in my layout, put them there, this there, and after that it's gonna be the time for the camshaft and to time the engine. I hope that my timing marks did not skip a teeth on the bottom when I was moving around the engine. If so, I'm going to have a great time adjusting that. So see you when I'm done with the layout. So I'm done with putting the cam on. Everything is torqued down. I inserted the chain tensioner. So the chain is a little loose, but it's because I rotate the crankshaft counterclockwise. So as you can see, we're pretty much very close to starting this engine. I need to go and buy some gasket maker for the port ear, and for this here, because the FSM recommended it. I need to put the intake manifold on, the valve cover, which is pretty quick, the coil packs, fill the engine with oil, coolant, and give it a try. Maybe it will start, maybe not. I really hope it's it's going to start. So in the next video, which I'm going to film probably tomorrow, I'm going to try to get this all sorted out and maybe try to start the car. It would make me, if the car starts, it would boost my confidence of my morale, because it's been a long time since it has been there. So yeah, that's where I'm at for today. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and see you guys in the next video, where I probably start the car.